Clay and Coco with EKNIVES.com, here today to talk about our top 4 best-selling crossbar lock knives.
Crossbar lock is a mechanism that is spring-loaded and it moves back and forth to release the blade and lock it into place. So previously, Benchmade is the brand that had the access lock. It's the one that everybody modeled after. One of the best-selling models that Benchmade makes is called the Bugout. Super lightweight, drivery handles. It's got a crossbar lock, one-handed opening and closing on this. Our second most popular is the Microtech MSI. Their crossbar lock is called the RAM-LOK. Very similar to the Benchmade. It's got a spring-loaded mechanism in here that releases the blade and locks it into place. One-handed open and close. Super fidgety, super fun, super popular, and it's super lightweight. It's made out of polymer handles. So this is the MSI from Microtech.
I have the Three Rivers Manufacturing Bulldog. So this is Three Rivers' newest knife design for the year, and it is named the Bulldog after their 2 fluffy Frenchies, Roxy and Riley. They had to have their own little knife, so they came up with the Bulldog after them. So this knife is 3.2-inch blade, G10 handle. They will be rolling into doing these in some titanium and different handles moving forward, but G10 handle on the first runs of these. Stainless steel sliding lock bar and thrust ball bearings. So very smooth, so fun, so fidgety. And if you're really good, you can Spidey flick. I can't on this one because my nail gets caught. But
nails.
Yeah, I know. But this knife has been really popular for Three Rivers, so they're doing a great job there.
Yeah, I can Spidey flick.
Yeah, you go ahead. Oh, nice. Yeah, very good. Thank you. All right, so last we have from Tactile Knives, this is the Maverick. So the Maverick is a collaboration that was done back in 2022 with Richard Rogers, amazing custom knife maker. So this knife, this one is in the milled titanium. With this one, they did a textured pivot, and it even has the tri-lobe design that is significant for Richard Rogers. And it has custom washers for just a silky smooth action. This one comes titanium, G10, micarta, and then all in Magna Cut blades. So the Maverick from Tactile Knives.
These are our 4 best-selling crossbar lock style knives for 2024.
Also, all 4 are made in the USA. So
yep,
these are all American-made knives.
Yep. Get any one of these on our website. Go to EKNIVES.com. And as always,
Have a nice day.